Hi guys, good morning. This is Dr. Freddy again. I welcome you to our channel, Freddy's Farm. So for today, I would like to give you updates of our first timers, and soon we're going to enjoy fruits of our new varieties. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified always whenever we have new videos. And shout out to all our friends, our subscribers from the USA, from the Philippines, from India, from Kenya, from Cameroon, from Namibia. We have also from Brazil. So shout out to you guys. So you're looking at our black dragon fruit, and we have already 1, 2, 3. Okay, the rest of the flowers did not continue, so we have 3 successful fruits of our black dragon, and we are going to enjoy them very soon. Okay, so that's how a dragon fruit or black dragon fruit will look like. Okay, so I know we fertilized this one, or I mean we pollinated this one before we left for the Philippines. That was on the 16th of December. Today is already 15th of January, so it's already almost 1 month, and we are yet to see any sign of it, getting ripe. Well, anyway, that's the black dragon fruit. This is how the fruit will look like. Another fruit that is we are about to see, this one. It's quite big, by the way. This is Ecuador Palora. So we're going to taste Ecuador Palora very soon. So the bricks of Ecuador Palora will reach up to, I think, 22, 23, like that. It's very sweet. Let me show you another variety, new variety that we're going to taste very soon. So I have here, remember this? This is our Asunta 5. Okay, so this is now the fruit of the Asunta 5. Okay, Asunta 5 has so many variants, and what we have here is Paco. Okay, Paco. So this is Asunta 5 Paco. So we have plenty of Asunta 5s. In fact, it has produced new flowers there. So this is another Asunta 5. And I think we have one more Asunta 5 on this side. So yeah, this is another Asunta 5. And we have another Asunta 5 on this side. Sorry, our pump is bringing us water. So I think this one, look, that's another Asunta 5 here. So this is one of our Asunta 5s. Unfortunately, one of the biggest disappointments for us is our orange giant. Okay, we are still seeing some flowers, but none of the previous flowers develop into fruits. I think the pollen that we use did not fertilize it. So let's try with the remaining flowers if we will succeed eventually. There is another variety that has produced a flower this season, and it's already also its first time. Let me show you that variety actually. So we have a new variety that has given us flower this season. Okay, and this variety is called Mr. Wu. Okay, so Mr. Wu has given us one flower this time. Okay, and look at the setup, guys. I just planted it in a half container. Similarly, this one is Orange Giant. It has given us 3 flowers. Let's try to pollinate this one using many different pollen of flowers coming from our Moroccan Red. Or let's try to collect pollen also from Mr. Wu, and let's try to pollinate this Orange Giant. Maybe we will be more successful. Alright, so guys, those are the fruits that we are going to enjoy very soon. Okay, this Moroccan Red is now 11 years old, and it has given us again still so many flowers. You saw the many flowers of Moroccan Red, and there's one fruit that is about to ripen. Yeah, there's another one here, and we're going to enjoy dragon fruit very soon. Yeah, this one is getting ripe. Yeah. Our Australian golden yellow is giving us also flowers. Yeah. All right, guys, that's all for today. So we're going to enjoy new varieties this season. I mean, new fruits of new varieties. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your day. Again, shout out to all our friends in North America, in South America, in Asia, West Asia, and here in Africa. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. Mungu awabariki. Blessings always. Bye.